What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Willow. We back at it again with another video. This time we're gonna show you how to mix oil and gasoline for your bike. You'll need your gasoline, some 2-stroke oil right here, and if you want to be precise with the oil, you could also get a measuring cup. And depending on your bike, you might want to check out the chart right here that I put up here. So for my bike, I'm going to use a 60-to-1 because it's an older bike and I'm using a synthetic oil. So here I have 2.2 ounces of oil. We're going to pour it up. Make sure you have every little drop in there. Close it up and shake it up. Shake that. Shake it. Make sure it's mixed in right. Shake that shit up. Open up this cap. Pour this gas in. Turn the gas on. Choke on and start her up. Make sure you see smoke coming out. If you don't see any smoke, you don't have enough oil. Alright, that's it for this video. That was a quick little lesson. If you learned any value, anything from this video, make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe, comment, hit that bell so you don't miss another video. Peace.